India's first all-electric hypercar, the Vazirani Shul, has finally been unveiled. It has been designed and developed by Chunky Vazirani, who heads Vazirani Automotive. The Shul has been built with inputs from Force India F1 team and tyre maker Michelin. Designed with the help of a wind tunnel, making for a lower drag coefficient, the Shul is underpinned by the lightweight yet rigid carbon fiber tub chassis, something similar to the underpinnings of the BMW i8. The Shul gets 4 electric motors which are powered by a jet turbine engine. Vazirani is yet to reveal the complete specifications, but expect this hypercar to be seriously fast. The Shul will be manufactured in California, and the production version of the car will hit the roads by 2021. Hero MotoCorp has announced that it will be increasing the price of its models in India from next month. Effective from October 3rd, 2018, prices of all Hero motorcycles and scooters will be hiked by up to 900 rupees. However, Hero says that the exact quantum of the increase will vary based on the model and the specific market. Talking about the reason for the price hike, Hero MotoCorp said that the revision has been necessitated by the increasing commodity costs and currency depreciation. This is the second price hike from Hero in 2018, with the earlier one coming in April. Back then, Hero had increased the prices of its models by 625 rupees. The Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, which is India's largest selling SUV, has been awarded 4 stars in the latest round crash tests conducted by Global NCAP. The car was crash tested at 64 km per hour in a front offset test in an ADAC crash facility in Germany. The made in India and designed in India model scored 4 stars on front adult occupant safety and 2 stars on rear child occupant safety. Apart from the Vitara Brezza, the Global NCAP also crash tested the Renault Lodgy, which received 0 stars as a result of not having airbags in the base variant. Sadly, Renault India does not even offer anti-lock braking system as standard on the Lodgy, which further added to the MPV receiving a poor rating. In addition to that, Global NCAP has also rated the body shell of the Lodgy as unstable. Looks like Renault does need to pull up its socks to manufacture better quality vehicles. India will have safety braking features such as electronic stability control and autonomous braking as mandatory on passenger cars by as soon as 2022 or 2023. This was announced by Abhay Damle, Joint Secretary, Minister of Road Transport and Highways, was speaking at the Stop the Crash event organized by Global NCAP at the Budh International Circuit in Greater Noida. Damle also said that the government is looking to mandate safety policies which will better those in the USA in a couple of years from now. The government is also pushing for mandatory ABS on all two-wheelers irrespective of displacement. As of now, from April 2019, all two-wheelers sold in India above 125cc will need to have ABS as a compulsory fitment.
If you like that video, you've got to subscribe to our channel. We keep things nice and simple and yet very comprehensive just for you.